Hello and welcome to my next chess video. This time I'm white against Monarch 1.7 and I'm gonna play the birds opening. I have 13 minutes plus a couple of seconds increment per move, and Monarch 1.7 has only 1 minute. So I'm white here. Okay, should I go for... If I go knight c3, then he probably goes d4, then d3, d5, like this. Gonna go knight f3, and now I'm developing my bishop. Okay, d3, then e4. Okay, d3, e3. Kind of stop d4. Okay, is he planning to go? Okay, I go here. If he plays knight there, then I have should I go knight here to get rid of this pesky bishop? Then play d3. Let's try it. Get rid of these bishops. Okay, threatening the knight now. But I take anyway. Go g3. Now bishop there. Okay. Knight here. h5. h5 is a move, okay. Let's go queen e2. And castle queenside. I could go there now. Threaten the b pawn. He castles. I go knight here. Takes, I take. But then he goes a6. I could go there immediately. He takes, I take with the king. When he castles, I go here, then h3 again is coming. If I go here, he pushes. Then I can go knight here. If I attack on that pawn, double attack. So threatening here maybe. Then he goes a3. I go there. It doesn't seem to work. Yeah, this a3 move is quite annoying. Could also go g4, g5 here to get rid of this bishop. Okay, I'm gonna go g4, g5 now. Do I have a tactic now? Okay, and go king here, then I have a tactic. Knight here, but then he just castles. But okay. This is fine. This should be a fine game here. Just exchange everything. Do I have weaknesses then? This pawn might be weak. Should also go e4, but then this move is annoying me. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. If I go here, he goes there. He could go here, he takes this pawn, or that pawn takes, and I take here. No, he cannot take here, but I go here, he takes there, I take here, and then I'm threatening a check. So if I go here, also stop something like rook e5 to a5 and queen to a3. So this move here, he goes a3, and then I can go c4. No, c4. I don't know, then I have to watch out for this pawn. Could also go rook here. Rook here, followed by f5. Takes. Could also go here. No, then he takes there. Rook here. He takes there. Take there, he takes there. I have to defend both pawns somehow, so probably that move is gonna be better. h3, so now this pawn is defended, but I have this pawn is very weak. This pawn is very weak. Okay, let's defend it. Queen here. Some more pressure to that pawn. To both pawns, actually. I think I'm gonna lose a pawn now. Okay. Can I take here? Takes with the rook, my rook with check. Okay, can take this. The question is, can I hold that to a draw? Oh, his plan is good to go there. Let's activate the king. Now this pawn is falling. Okay, very nice rook endgame. I have to resign this one now because this is lost. Let's see where to play this better and ask Stockfish. Where did I went wrong in that game? Yeah, this is now lost. Rook and pawn game. So f4. Had no problems there. This wasn't the best move. C3 to kick the rook. Maybe following up with e5. But c3. Oh, I see. C3 he cannot take the pawn. C3 he cannot take the pawn due to this. Now this fork is menacing, so c3 I should have played. I played this fork immediately and now black is a little bit better. d3 now. Played my queen there. And this is bad. d3. But I feared some rook d5. Yeah. Rook d5. Queen here. Yeah, but this should be even Steven. a6. Okay. Okay, queen there. Queen e5. Rook takes, queen takes. Yeah. Oh, this maneuver was pretty nice. Going after the f-pawn. His rook is much more active. And he's up a pawn, so I resigned here. Yeah, my mistake was this queen a5. Should have gone for d3. And something like this. This would be holdable. So it was a nice game here against Monarch 1.7. Let's see. It was the Bird's opening. Bird is the word. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time. Ciao.